An out of the box way of thinking of thermostat wire for HVAC, primarily for residential use, but it could be extended to commercial use too. But the thermostat wiring, which is a low voltage wiring, sometimes if one is a newbie to the field, it may seem confusing, and so it may boggle the mind. But sometimes just a simplified explanation or real world application can demystify any enigmas out there. So, question for this particular video, this is kind of an out of the box and way of thinking. But what we're going to do is break this down. We've got several strands of wires, several different colors of wires for the HVAC thermostat wiring that feeds to the thermostat, or actually to the base of the thermostat. The front of the thermostat should pull off, and one may have a battery and whatnot, that control. If you have a battery, you may not need a common, but my opinion is it's always good to run a common. And I think, and from hearsay, and don't take this as whether this be fact or fiction, but I've heard these some of these smart thermostats may require that. But anyway, that's not the topic of this video. The topic of this video is just to break this down and to kind of clarify the mind so one understands simply what's going on here. We're going to say this is we're going to title this in and out. In and out. Voltage in, voltage out. So we separate these wires. We have a red wire that feeds 24 volts. We'll call this an in wire. We have these other wires that feed certain particular functions of the HVAC system. We will call these the out wires. So again, let's just be clear, just in and out. In means we're supplying voltage in this direction. Out means once the contact is closed, which a thermostat is essentially sort of like a relay that works off of some type of thermistor or something that actually deals with temperature. So when the temperature is called, and whenever it's set and satisfied, say if it closes the relay, then this voltage here jumps over to here. Okay, to one of these wires, minus the blue wire. The blue wire is the common. It should have a continuous loop with the hot and the common somewhere if everything's properly. If in my opinion, I'm not certain. You can ask the people that are more knowledgeable than myself. But the red wire in supplying 24 volts. How is the 24 volts going to get to the green wire? The thermostat is what does this. When the thermostat calls for the fan, then this voltage jumps to here, energizes this, these go out. So basically just think of the red as the in coming in this direction, and most of the other colors in general, maybe not universal, but in general, most of the other colors we're going to call out. They're going to feed out. So again, in and out. Red in, voltage jumps from here to here. When the thermostat, if the thermostat is operating properly, voltage goes out. So red in, into the thermostat, the other ones from the thermostat out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this little application simplifies it so that it makes it understandable, so the average Joe can understand this. And if you find any tidbits of information helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.